Hello, little explorers! Today, Eddy the Excavator has a special job. He is going to find an object for every letter of the alphabet. Do you want to see what he found for the letter A? Eddy found an airplane. A is for airplane. Eddy is blowing up balloons. B is for balloon. It's a kitty. It's so cute. C is for cat. Aww, a daddy duck and his babies. D is for duck. Now Eddy is painting on an easel. E is for easel. What a pretty flower. F is for flower. Eddy is playing a guitar. G is for guitar. Those hats are so silly. I love them all. H is for hat. Eddy is eating ice cream. Do you have a favorite flavor? I is for ice cream. Do you see a monkey? They live in the jungle. J is for jungle. Eddy looks so fancy. K is for king. It's dark in here, but the lamp makes it bright. L is for lamp. Have you ever eaten a mango before? They are delicious. M is for mango. What a cute baby. N is for nest. Wow, Eddy is underwater with baby sharks and an octopus. O is for octopus. Eddy is playing a piano. How pretty. P is for piano. Yummy, pizza. There are 4 quarters in this pizza. Q is for quarter. Eddy is doing magic. Wow, a rabbit. R is for rabbit. Look! Eddy is planting seeds. S is for seed. Eddy found a train. Wave to the train. T is for train. Eddy got caught in the rain. Good thing he has his umbrella. U is for umbrella. Vegetables help you grow big and strong. V is for vegetable. It's so wiggly. Little wiggle worm. W is for worm. Eddy has another instrument. What a nice sound. X is for xylophone. That looks like fun. Eddy found a yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Eddy is at the zoo. And there is a zebra. Z is for zebra at the zoo. That was so much fun. Eddy found something for every letter. Did you have fun on our alphabet adventure? Me too. I can't wait to see you again. See you next time, little explorers, on Big Ideas for Little Minds.